In the majestic landscape of Campbell County, Wyoming, where rugged terrain and phenomenal water infrastructure converge, Mankin Hunting Camp offers an extraordinary opportunity for outdoor enthusiasts and ranch connoisseurs alike. Spanning approximately 5,784 plus or minus acres, the ranch comprises 2,494 plus or minus deeded acres and an additional 3,290 plus or minus leased acres. For over 40 years, Mankin Wildlife curated an exceptional hunting experience on this ranch, attracting renowned ammunition companies like Winchester, Leupold, and Nosler. The expansive terrain provides an ideal environment for mule deer and antelope, making it a prime destination for those seeking the thrill of the hunt. Well-maintained road systems thread through the ranch, offering unparalleled access to every corner of the property. Whether venturing towards viewpoints or accessing prime hunting grounds, these roadways provide a gateway to exploration. As you traverse the ranch, the views of the Bighorn Mountains, Pumpkin Buttes, and diverse topography underscore the untamed beauty of Wyoming. A hallmark of the ranch is its abundance of water resources, featuring 3 reservoirs and 5 operational water wells. 18 stock tanks provide water sources throughout the ranch, with 2 reservoirs near headquarters thoughtfully stocked with browns and tiger trout. The 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom lodge offers comfortable accommodations, blending rustic charm with modern convenience. At headquarters, recreational amenities include a shooting range, game hanging pole, and easy access to one of the stocked reservoirs. An additional home awaits your creative vision and personal touch, providing the opportunity to customize it to your preferences and needs. A charming one-room schoolhouse converted into a saloon adds a unique touch to the property. Large pipe corrals with thoughtful loadout and a secondary corral area ensure practicality for livestock management. The ranch serves as a winter pasture, accommodating between 180 and 205 cows. Its expansive acreage is fully fenced with a clever design, ensuring that cows need not travel more than 320 acres to access water, promoting their well-being and optimizing ranching operations. Explore the beauty and abundant opportunities at Mankin Hunting Camp. With exceptional hunting, diverse recreation options, and a well-equipped lodge, this property offers prime hunting and ranching opportunities amidst stunning landscapes. For a private qualified showing, please contact Taylor Vino or Jenny Tarver today.